Story Nest.
Zara the zebra, with her bold black and white stripes, stood at the edge of a shimmering river. Beside her chattered Max the monkey, his brown fur gleaming in the sunlight. The river wasn't ordinary. It swirled with all the colors of the rainbow, a vibrant ribbon winding through the lush green jungle. Zara and Max exchanged excited glances, their anticipation bubbling. With a shared giggle, Zara and Max leaped into the cool, swirling water. The rainbow hues danced around them as they splashed and played. Suddenly, sleek gray shapes darted through the colorful depths. Playful dolphins, their eyes twinkling with curiosity, began to swim alongside them, their smooth skin brushing against Zara's stripes and Max's fur. As they ventured further, the rainbow river shimmered with even more life. Schools of fish in every imaginable color, fiery reds, sunny yellows, electric blues, and vibrant greens, weaved through the water like living jewels. Some had long flowing fins, others sported comical spots, and all seemed to greet the new arrivals with cheerful swishes of their tails. Zara, Max, the dolphins and the colorful fish swam together, laughing and playing amidst the dazzling hues. They learned about each other's lives. The dolphins shared tales of the deep ocean, the fish described the wonders of the coral reefs, and Zara and Max told stories of the jungle trees and vines. Despite their differences, they discovered a joyful connection. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow on the rainbow river, Zara and Max knew it was time to go. They bid farewell to their new friends, promising to visit again soon. Climbing out of the water, they felt a warmth in their hearts, realizing that friendship could bloom in the most colorful and unexpected places, connecting creatures big and small, striped or furry, smooth or scaled.